Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, ito na, mag-i-start na siya. Hair Kada Ilugay mo with Sunsilk with Beanie. So, in a 10, 9, 8, 7. Munti ko na to actually makalimutan. Buta na alala ko siya ngayon mag-ilalabas to. Let's see.
Please, double time!
Ganda! Okay, Josie.
Ang boghag ng hair ko.
Sa akin din may dent.
Ang ganda! Girly Colette?
Girls, you can let your hair down with Sunsilk para iwas frizz, dents,
Ganda
and
ni
tangles.
Colette!
Period! Go girls, B! I-N-B!
Wow! Ang ganda nilang lahat!
Lights, camera, ilugay mo.
Hey,
Going all
rapper
out on the
Mika.
days out. From the runways to the highways, you've got wrist when you can't feel frizz.
Let your hair down, you're going to shine. Go on, girl, hair's looking fine.
Wow! Wait lang, I need to watch it again.
Please, double time!
Wait, ang boghag ng hair ko.
Sa akin din may dent.
Huwag na lang tayo maglugay.
Ilugay na raw. Ito itsura mo.
Buti na lang dati Sunsilk ang ginagamit kong
You can let
shampoo.
your
So
hair
I
down
think
with
babalik ako
Sunsilk
kasi
para
ngayon
iwas frizz,
conditioner na
dents,
lang.
and tangles.
Bait
Period!
ka talaga.
Go girls, B! I-N-B!
Hey, Juliet!
Beautiful as ever. Fresh, free smoothness whenever. Gandang lugar, ready together. Pag lagi may sunsilk, you're a head turner.
Head turner.
Ilugay mo yung smooth, hair mo nakakagigil. Pag sunsilk ang gamit mo. In 1, 2, 3, ilugay mo sunsilk.
Wow!
Lights, camera, ilugay mo. Going all out on the days out.
Parang
From the
kapag Bino
runways
yung
to the
endorser,
highways, you've got wrist when you can't feel
kahit
frizz.
ilang
Let
beses
your hair
ko
down,
yung
you're going to
ads.
shine.
Okay
Go
lang.
on, girl, hair's looking fine.
Yay! So, ayan, parang for me, pag talaga Bino yung nag-endorse, alam mo yung ibibigay nila yung best nila. Tapos parang, grabe, like, ilang minutes lang ba to? Parang 1 minute siguro, almost 2 minutes lang tong video na to, or commercial. Parang, alam mo yun, ang daming nangyari, tapos grabe yung may ano talaga, may lyrics, and then may choreo, di ba? Parang, wala ka nang hihilingin pa kung ikaw yung brands. Talagang Bino yung kukunin mo para worth it. And grabe yung yung energy nila talaga sa mga commercial na napapanood ko. Like yung sa Jollibee, sa Surf, sa Enervon, and then ito Sunsilk, ano pa ba. Basta madami silang endorsement or commercial na hindi ko nabanggit. Pero alam mo yun, ngayon, mga brands na yun lumalapit sa kanila. Which is ibang-iba dun sa nagsisimula pa lang sila kasi nga dati walang umaanong brand sa kanila pero ngayon grabe sila na yung pinipilahan. So that's it for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Annyeong!